Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the IS-7 in World of Tanks Blitz. First, understand that the IS-7 excels as a frontline brawler. Its formidable pike nose armor is incredibly strong when pointed directly at an enemy, so avoid angling too much. This tank also boasts surprising mobility for a heavy, allowing you to quickly adapt to battle flow. Focus on leading pushes and absorbing damage for your team, while delivering powerful shots with its reliable gun. Mastering the IS-7 armor is crucial for survival. Always keep your tank's front, specifically the pike nose, facing your opponent head-on. Angling too much will flatten one side of the pike, making it vulnerable, and expose your weaker side armor. Seek out hull-down positions whenever possible. The IS-7 turret is incredibly tough, allowing you to safely trade shots while protecting your hull. Remember, direct confrontation is your armor's best friend. Offensively, the IS-7 packs a punch with its high alpha damage gun. After firing, quickly pull back into cover to reload, minimizing exposure. Don't rush your shots. Take the time to aim for enemy weak spots like lower glacis plates or commander's hatches to ensure maximum impact. Against well-armored opponents, don't hesitate to load premium ammunition to secure critical penetrations. Your goal is to trade favorably, dealing more damage than you receive. Effective IS-7 play also involves strong map awareness and team coordination. Always stick with your team's main heavy tank push, acting as the spearhead. Be mindful of your flanks and rear. While your front is strong, your sides and rear are vulnerable to faster tanks. Use your mobility to react to enemy pushes or to support a struggling flank. Your presence can dictate the flow of battle, so make smart decisions about where and when to engage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.